Navjot Singh Sidhu ji to the Speak Up India NRI series organized by the Indian Overseas Congress. Welcome, Honorable Navjot Singh Sidhu ji. It is a pleasure to have you here with us today. As we are all aware that in the very tragic incident this month, 20 of our Indian Army soldiers lost their lives in the fierce clashes that took place between India and China in the Galwan Valley. So please join us in paying tribute to our great martyrs who sacrificed their lives for India by observing half a minute silence. The silence begins now. May I now request our IOC US President, Mr. Mohinder Gilzian to please welcome Navjot Sidhu ji formally. Thank you.
Honorable Sam Padoda ji, our Global Chairman of Indian Overseas Congress, Honorable mere pyare neta Navjot Singh Sidhu ji, Honorable Amashu Vyas ji. Navjot Singh Sidhu, the multi-talent personality, need no introduction. I welcome Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu on Indian Overseas Congress program. Navjot Singh Sidhu, one the India's most gifted and popular character, politician, commenters, motivation speaker and TV personality. His father, Sardar Pawan Singh Sidhu, was a freedom fighter, decent cricket player, Advocate General of Punjab, two-time MLA and longest serving district Congress President Patiala, Punjab. Navjot Singh Sidhu made his test debut in 1983, but he was dropped after playing only 2 tests. Rajan Bala of the Indian Express wrote an article on him.
Lost you. What happened?
Mohinder ji, Mohinder ji.
Wrote an article on him titled Strokeless Wonder to a Palm Grove Heater. Navjot Singh Sidhu is noted for his one line, which is known as Sidhuism. Navjot Singh Sidhu and his family contest 8 elections and never lose election. He is a politician with a difference, great motivator, and he can turn the situation in his favor with his talent. Navjot Singh Sidhu has good relations with Prime Minister Imran Khan, who decided to honor his wish to open Kartarpur Sahib corridor here. There is no doubt the government of both countries plays an important role in corridors, but the efforts of Navjot Singh Sidhu made it possible to finalize the Kartarpur Sahib corridor. And my beloved leader, Sam Padoda ji. Sam ji,
thank you.
ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਕੁਝ ਲਫ਼ਜ਼ ਕਹਿਣੇ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਮਹਾਨ ਸਪੂਤ ਨਵਜੋਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਵਾਸਤੇ.
Thank you very much. Thanks. Friends, good evening, good afternoon, and greetings from Chicago. It is indeed a special privilege and honor for me to invite and host Navjot Sidhu. Indian Overseas Congress is in 30 countries, and today I am told that we have representatives from almost 20 countries. People from Australia are joining, New Zealand are joining, naturally European countries, US and others. Indian Overseas Congress is having these programs on Zoom for last couple of months, where we invite Indian politicians to come interact with our members, learn from them, and spend quite a bit of time understanding challenges from their perspective in their state, in the country, in the party. The idea is to have open conversation. We had these conversations with leaders from Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and few other states, Chhattisgarh also. And I'm delighted that today we'll be hearing from a young leader in Punjab. I have known Navjot Sidhu for a while. I am personally a great admirer of his oratory. I heard him speak at the Congress plenary session in Delhi, and he was remarkable. He has a gifted way of talking that very few really are fortunate to have. Today, he will be talking more about Punjab, nation, as to where we are, and how non-resident Indians can help. As you know, at Indian Overseas Congress, we have a large number of members from Punjab, leaders from Punjab. They mean a great deal to us. To me, they have a big heart. They spend a lot of time, money, energy in organizing our programs and events. And they are very active. As a result, as soon as we announced that Navjot Sidhu is going to be on Zoom call, we had requests from 500 to 700 people. And I'm told that probably 800-900 people will join us today. So I look forward to listening. I look forward to his comments, and later on we'll have brief question answer session. I must tell you that I personally had requests from 10 people from Punjab who wanted to speak today. They all wanted 30 seconds, 1 minute, so they can show their face to Navjotji. Unfortunately, we could not accommodate them, because then we'll take time away from Navjot. So my apology to all of those who requested for their time. I hope they will have an opportunity to interact during question answers. But I want all of them to know that you have access to Navjot. You can call him anytime. He's very open, accessible. And my apology again for not giving you the time you requested. With this, once again, welcome Navjotji, and hope to hear from you. I can now request AICC Secretary Himanshu Vyas to say a few words, and he will turn it on to you. Thank you.
Honorable Rodaji, respected Sidhuji, who accepted our invitation to come and speak to IOC Global Leadership, Shri Mohinderji, and all friends. I don't want to take much time. I just want to welcome and thanks Sidhuji. I have visited his place in Amritsar during the Lok Sabha election, me, Pitroda Sahib and family. Is really a combination of Shakti and Bhakti. And we have seen how he is working day and night. And he is working for the poorest of the poor and common man of Punjab. The issues he is taking up in Punjab, I have seen every day. I am watching his Facebook every day. He is taking such an issue which is very much concerned to the common man of this country and Punjab. I congratulate him that in COVID-19 also, Punjab government has shown a great deal taking care of COVID-19 spread in the state. I think even the Indian Prime Minister, who is opponent of the Congress very much, he has appreciated Punjab Chief Minister. So thank you once again. And I request Honorable Sidhu ji to address Indian Overseas Congress leadership and all other who have joined.
Thank you, Sam sir. Randhawa madam, Sardar Mohinder Singh Giljian, Himanshu sir, brothers and sisters of the NRI world, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable as I proceed to address you. The warmth, love and affection has been heart-rendering. I reciprocate from the core of my heart. You know, when I was young, I used to hear this song, and now I can relate to it. The song went, Mera juta hai Japani, patloon Englishstani, phir bhi dil hai Hindustani. And I can relate to that now. And I know for sure that your heart and soul has always been here in India. There cannot be any fruit without the root. India is the root, Punjab is the root, Darbar Sahib, we draw our strength from there. Nobody who's grown up in India will ever forget where he grew up, his friends, his roots. So that connectivity is a must. And that is what I rely upon. You know, most directors who direct films are very smart people. They make films मान वतनादा, स्वदेश. And I say it in the good old way, जो भरा नहीं है भावों से बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वो हृदय नहीं है पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं. You know, you could be a Kashmiri settled abroad, you could be a Maharashtrian, you could be anything, but you are above all an Indian. Your heart beats for the country. And, you know, the thing that connects is the passion. It is passion and not pedigree which wins you in the end. To me, that is the most important thing, the involvement. It is with conviction. You've got to be a believer to be an achiever. It is with conviction that I say this. Take it from me. If India has to transform ये पंजाब दी तस्वीर और तकदीर असी बदलनी है, it cannot happen without the involvement of the NRI brethren. That's a must. It has to happen. We have to honor you. मान सम्मान मिलना चाहिए ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ involvement और ਤੁਸੀਂ देखो the passion with which you comment. Even most of the internet channels are addressing to the NRI world. So this is where I come from. This is where, by hook or by crook, you're the first in my book. Now I will give you that priority. I must thank Sam sir. You know, any talent is nothing without opportunity. He's given me this wonderful opportunity to connect with you. And सच्ची गल सुनो, मतलब बहुत देर कर दी मेहरबा आते आते पर देर आए दुरुस्त आए. I am dying to connect with you. And if I get an opportunity, I will come there. Interact with you, discuss the issues of Punjab, because you cannot be apolitical in this situation. गैर सियासी नहीं हो सकते दोस्त. You know, the great philosopher Aristotle 200 to 300 years ago had said that जब भी किसी स्टेट पे, किसी कौम पे, किसी मुल्क पे आपदा आएगी, बुरा वक्त आएगा, तो सारी दुनिया को सियासी होना पड़ेगा. आखिर जी मैं गैर सियासी हाँ, मैं ते सियासत तो बड़ा दूर रहना यार. मेरे ते तो रेड पै जूगी, मेरी फैक्ट्री ਨੂੰ सील कर देंगे, मेरे ते छापा पै जूगा. That's not the way. We will have to get involved. गैर सियासी तो जानवर होते हैं, गैर सियासी तो भेड़ें होती हैं. वो देखा ना, एक चीता आके दबोच लेता है और वो 500 के 500 खड़े पूंछ ला के देखते रहते हैं. अगर उनमें से 10 इकट्ठे होके पीछे पड़ जाए ना उस चीते के, तो चीता दुम दबा के भाग जाए. You see, दो लोग लोकतंत्र में पीछे हटने वाले होते हैं, एक बुजदिल और एक खुदगर्ज. when this great state needs you, your involvement is a must. And, you know, it is up to us. We are duty bound to facilitate you, you know, to give you a platform, to have an international NRI world in Punjab itself, to have a tribunal. All the roaring economies the world over, and I'm addressing this to Sam sir as well, all the roaring economies the world over have digressed towards the manufacturing sector. Take it from me. They've digressed towards the manufacturing sector. That is the way to proceed. But we are an agrarian economy. We need that manufacturing sector to supplement us. We need additional sources of income. Land holdings are getting smaller. That is where the NRI friends come in. Most of them have migrated in search of greener pastures from villages, from small towns. They're connected. And we have to tap that generation. If their kids grow up, they will not be connected. But those people who've grown up in India and Punjab can surely contribute so much. They can contribute whatever they do will supplement and facilitate us. Now I'm coming to the point that I wanted to discuss. The point that I actually spoke to Sam sir about, the point that I want to drill across. What is a leader, my dear friend? You know, when I was young, my father showed me a clip. I was 17. The clip was about the American president, Henry Kissinger, being interviewed by Barbara Walters. Barbara Walters asked Henry Kissinger, "Sir, how would you like to be remembered?" That is one line that he said. He said, "I would like to be remembered as a man who made the difference." That's the mission of my life. I want to make a difference. I want to change people's lives, especially those who have been the Punjabis that I grew up with. 100 भेड़ों के आगे एक शेर लगा दो ना तो भेड़ें शेर हो जाती, और 100 शेरों के आगे एक भेड़ लगा दो तो शेर ढेर हो जाते. That is what a leader is. A leader converts weakness into strength. कमजोरी ताकत में तब्दील करता है. He converts weakness into strength, obstacles into stepping stones, and disaster into triumph. That is what a leader is all about. अलग जगाता है. प्यारे पंजाबियों, NRIs the world over, I'm saying this. Bear testimony. Lend me your ears. I know Punjab's problems. मैं पंजाब दियां मुश्किलां, पंजाब दियां प्रॉब्लमां बहुत चंगी तरह जानदा. I know the solutions. पूरी तरह क्लैरिटी है. कोई धुंध नहीं, कोई द्वंद नहीं. There is no catch-22 situation. Complete clarity. But we have to get out of this Hawaii Rajniti. We have to strike reality. We have to come back to Mother Earth. If I know the problem, if I know the solution, then we should come back to the agenda. The agenda is most important. Is छुरलियां छड्डण वाली जिहड़ी राजनीति है ना, छुरलियां जिहड़ियां ਅਸੀਂ ਛੱਡਦੇ ਹਾਂ, the political blame game, right? Diverting the attention from the real issues, pointing fingers, Sidhu versus Falana. There is no versus Sidhu, boss. Sidhu te Punjab wal khada hai, मैं te Punjab wal हां, और मैं te ਇੱਕੋ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮੰਗਦਾ, नीति, नियत ते न्याय. देवताओं की नियत में भी आ जाए फर्क, अगर नजारा चाहे जन्नत का क्यों ना हो, गर्क हो जाएगा. जिस बंदे दी नीति है वो बंदा की सोचूगा. That today we need to take Punjab forward. This is a brand. This is a brand Punjab, which was the greatest shield, which fought Massa Rangad, which fought Ahmad Shah Abdali. 2% people considered the granary of India, the football of India, produced everything they could have done for the country. Paramveer Chakras, And this is not about pointing fingers. This is not about pulling people down. This is not about kitchen following at others. This is about a methodology, bro. This is about a process to take Punjab forward, reversing a trend which has continued, taken Punjab downhill. To take Punjab to the top is what I want. I do not need politics. I could have earned my money, 32 crore rupiya kamaunda si, sanu chhad ke aane di koi lod nahi. I did not want to make a career out of politics. I've come here because politics is a mission to me. It is not a profession. मेरे लिए धंधा नहीं है सियासत. गंदली होगी, मैली होगी, धंधा बन गई politics. It's now a business. That is where, you know, to make a difference in people's life is the real goal. I cannot be a silent spectator to all this that has happened. 5,000 years of agriculture, bro. 5,000 years of agriculture. Indus Valley civilization. But farmers are committing suicide. अन्नदाता खुदकुशियां करता है. भगत सिंह दी ओ गल मैनू याद आंदी है, पगड़ी संभाल जट्टा पगड़ी संभाल होए, बैरियां ने अज तेरा लुट लिया माल होए. The world was migrating to Punjab, the land of the Rig Veda, the Greeks, the Scythians, all of them migrated and wanted to settle in this land of prosperity. Today, the youth is leaving Punjab. Talent is nothing without opportunity. This यथार्थ दे धरातल दे उत्ते खड़े होके चिंतन करन दी गल है. And I want to tell you all, listen to me clearly. I want to tell you that elections are not fought for the next election. Elections are fought for the new generation, for the next generation. We are here to fight for the next generation. And the whole is larger than the parts. For 25 years, year 1997, a system has failed us. A huge debt rupee system घटोट का चवांग खड़ा साढ़े सामने debt बन के और नोच नोच के पंजाब दे वाइटल्स नू खा रहा. जदों उस failed system नू 25 साल हो गए, why can't we reinvent? Why can't we rethink? Why can't we redesign? क्यों? क्योंकि the state's income has gone to private pockets. निजी जेबां दे विच जा रहा है पंजाब दा पैसा. The power of the people must return to the people. Governments are by the people, said by our forefathers. The governments are by the people, for the people. फिर 0.1%, 1% ਦਾ ਵੀ 0.1% ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਖਜ਼ਾਨਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਜਾਵੇ? Why should 99% of the Punjabis suffer? Why not be last man in the queue? Why not? Why can't we change his lives? Why is he not given the priority? And make no mistake about it, today it is a damage control exercise. It is a damage control exercise. But tomorrow, if this thing continues and we don't prevent and prepare and continue to repent and repair, this thing will become irreparable damage. Irreparable damage. वतन की फिक्र कर ऐ नादां, शायर कहता है. वतन की फिक्र कर ऐ नादां, मुसीबत आने वाली है. तेरी बर्बादियों के मशवरे आसमानों में हैं. न संभलोगे तो मिट जाओगे पंजाब वालों, तुम्हारी दास्तां तक न होगी दास्तां. पंबड़ पूछे च पाया. The bigger the mafia, the more hidden it is. You see, पर्दे में रहने दो, पर्दा ना उठाओ. पर्दा जो उठ गया तो फिर हाय तो कठपुतलियां बना रहे, कठपुतलियां फ्रंटमैन आगे खड़े हैं एंड पिछों तुन के कोई मार रहे हैं, पिछों तुन के कोई मार रहे हैं. Somebody is pulling the strings from behind. He is not seen. That's why I say the idea is dubious covert operations. It has been happening for 25 years. Let me tell you, Facts will not cease to exist just because they're ignored. They're stubborn things. They'll stab you in the back if you ignore them. So digging for facts is a much better exercise than jumping to conclusions. 1996, what is the debt? A problem है. किन्ना कर्जा सी पंजाब दे सिर दे उत्ते 1996-97 15,250 करोड़. 2001-2 च सरकार बदली 32,496 करोड़. 2006-7 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਬਦਲੀ ਔਰ ਅਕਾਲੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਈ ਹੈ, ਅਕਾਲੀ ਭਾਜਪਾ ਸਰਕਾਰ 2007 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਈ ਹੈ 48,344 ਕਰੋੜ. 2007 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 2017 ਤੱਕ 10 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 1.5 ਲੱਖ ਕਰੋੜ ਕਰਜ਼ਾ ਚੜ੍ਹਾ. 1,87,000 crore. Today, the estimates, the budgetary estimates of this year is 2,48,000 crores. Can you beat it? 2,48,000 crores. And if you take up the soft loans, ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗਾਂ ਗਿਰਵੀ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਰੈਸਟ ਹਾਊਸ ਗਿਰਵੀ ਰੱਖੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਮੁਨਸਿਪੈਲਿਟੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਜ਼ਮੀਨਾਂ ਗਿਰਵੀ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ, ਤੇ 3.5 ਲੱਖ ਕਰੋੜ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਪੈਂਦਾ. ਕਿਉਂ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਹੁਕਮਰਾਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਗਿਰਵੀ ਧਰਤਾ. ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਹੱਕ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਿੱਜੀ ਪੇਟ ਭਰੇ. ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਡੁੱਬਦਾ ਚਲਿਆ ਗਿਆ. ਹੁਣ ਸੰਜੀਵਨੀ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਭਾਈ. ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਦੱਸ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਸੰਜੀਵਨੀ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦਾ, ਇਹ ਨਾ ਸੋਚੋ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੈਸਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਡੈਟ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਸਰਨ ਨਹੀਂ. ਨਾ, ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਹੈ. ਇਹਦਾ ਹੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਤਮਿਕਤਾ ਹੈ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਨੈਕਟ ਹੈ. ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਵਾਕ ਜੇ ਜੰਮਦਾ ਨਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਕਰਜ਼ਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ. ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਨੇ ਕਰਜ਼ੇ 'ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੋੜ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਇਹ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਨੇ, ਇਹ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਟੈਕਸਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਨੇ. ਇਹ ਸੜਕਾਂ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਯੂਜ਼ ਹੋਣੇ ਸੀ. ਇਹ ਬਗੈਰ ਟੋਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਸੜਕਾਂ ਤੇ ਬ੍ਰਿਜ ਬਣਦੇ. ਮੇਰਾ ਸੁਪਨਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ, ਇਹ ਹਸਪਤਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ. ਮੇਰਾ ਇੱਕ ਸੁਪਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਕਿੱਦਣ ਬਣੂ? ਪੰਜਾਬ ਉਦਣ ਬਣੂ ਜਿੱਦਣ ਇੱਕ ਰਿਕਸ਼ੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਸਰਕਾਰੀ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ IAS ਅਫਸਰ ਬਣੂ, ਤੇ ਜਿੱਦਣ ਇੱਕ ਮਾਲੀ ਦਾ ਜਵਾਕ ਕੈਂਸਰ ਦਾ ਇਲਾਜ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਸਰਕਾਰੀ ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਾਊ, ਉਦਣ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਬਣੂ. ਇਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਪੈਸੇ? ਇਹ ਪੈਸੇ MBBS ਡਾਕਟਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਬੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੱਕਾ ਕਰਨ 'ਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ? ਇਹ ਭਾਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਬੇਸ਼ਨਰੀ ਟੀਚਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਆ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ 40,000 ਤੋਂ ਸਾਡੀ 15,000 ਤਨਖਾਹ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ, ਇਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਤਨਖਾਹ 'ਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ? ਇਹ ਵੈਟਰਨਰੀ ਡਾਕਟਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੱਕਾ ਕਰਨ 'ਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ? ਇਹ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ? ਇਹ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ 100 ਮੂਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਜੜ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ, 100 ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਾਂ ਦੀ ਜੜ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਇਨਕਮ ਹੈ. ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਬਿੱਲ ਘਟਾਉਣੇ ਆ, ਉੱਥੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ? ਪੈਸਾ ਤੇ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਭਾਈ, ਪੈਸਾ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਪੈਸਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਹਸਪਤਾਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦਾ? ਫਿਰ ਸਕੂਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦਾ? ਜਵਾਕ ਕਿਉਂ ਜਾਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ? ਯੂ ਸੀ, ਇਹ ਚਿੰਤਨ ਦਾ ਵਿਸ਼ੇ ਹੈ. ਸਮਾਂ ਚਿੰਤਾ 'ਚ ਗਿਆ, ਕੂੜੇਦਾਨ 'ਚ ਗਿਆ. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਚਿੰਤਨ 'ਚ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਪੁੱਲ ਦੀ ਤਿਜੋਰੀ 'ਚ ਗਿਆ. Now, these are startling figures that I'm going to talk about. And I want Sam sir also to listen to this. This is a very clear-cut thing. The total revenue receipts, jada estimate hunda, budget da estimate hunda of last year, sorry, this year was 88,000 crores. 88,000 crores is ਸਾਲ ਦਾ budgetary estimate ਸੀਗਾ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਚੋਂ 47,000 ਕਰੋੜ ਰੁਪਈਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਜ਼ਾ ਦੇਣਾ ਔਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ 19,000 ਕਰੋੜ. 67 ਕਰੋੜ ਸਾਡੀ ਦੇਣਦਾਰੀ ਹੈ, ਟੋਟਲ ਡੈਟ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਦੇਣਦਾਰੀ ਹੈ. ਨਾउ व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इज कि तो करेला ऊपर से नीम चढ़ा, कोरोना आ गई जी, एंड द इकोनॉमी टुक अ बैटरिंग, द इकोनॉमी टुक अ बैक सीट. सारे धंधे चौपट हो गए, सारे धंधे बंद हो गए. नाउ द रीसेंट फिगर्स दैट हैव कम, द फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर has given is that this time now we are 25,000 crores less. Now it is only 62,000 crores. The revenue receipt now comes to 62,000 crores. कमाई है 62,000 करोड़ ते देनदारी है 67,000 करोड़. जावांगे किथे भाई? Where will we go? 67,000 crores देनदारी इंटरेस्ट मिला के, ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਜ਼ਾ ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਰਜ਼ਾ ਮੋੜਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ। How can we think of development? How can we think of schools? How can we think of colleges? How can we think of the forward movement when this is happening? ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਬੋਝ ਕੋਈ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ? ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਆਪਾਂ, ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਪਿੰਡ 'ਚ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਆਪਣੇ ਤਾਏ ਨਾਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਲ ਵੀ ਵਾਹੀਦਾ ਸੀ, ਅਸੀਂ ਸੱਥਾਂ 'ਚ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਹੱਸੀ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਹਲ ਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ, ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਮੈਂ, ਤੇ ਉਹ ਬੀਂਡੀ ਫਸ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ, ਬੀਂਡੀ ਫਸ ਜਾਂਦੀ, ਹਾਕ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਬੀਂਡੀ ਕੱਢੋ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੋਈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਮੋਢਾ ਲਾਉਣਾ, ਮੋਢਾ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਬੀਂਡੀ ਕੱਢਣੀ, ਸਾਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਕੇ ਬੀਂਡੀ ਕੱਢਣੀ ਪਊਗੀ। This is where the problem revolves. And ਲੋਕ ਇੱਧਰ ਧਿਆਨ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਜਾਂਦੇ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਾਰਨ ਨਹੀਂ। ਉਹ ਚੰਦ ਲੋਕ 4 5 10 15 20 25 ਉਹ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਾਰਨ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਦਾ, ਉਹ ਇੱਧਰ ਧਿਆਨ ਕਿਉਂ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਭਾਈ? Why will they think about this? Let me tell you, let me actually throw more light on this subject, because this is the real issue. This is the cause of our backward movement. One step forward, 2 steps backward, situation awkward. And the cycle repeats itself. You know, this is the real cause. Let me throw light. 2019-20 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ own tax revenue, I will explain it to you. Everything from GST, from excise duty, from sales tax, from VAT, from stamp duty, from registration fee, from property tax, from VAT on petrol, from road tax, from vehicle tax, from everything is 33,000 crores. And can you imagine a state like Tamil Nadu earns 32,000 crores just from excise? Is there a comparison? Think about it. कि 10-15 heads चों साढ़े own tax revenue 33,000 crore रुपया, ते तमिलनाडु कल्ला excise revenue मतलब कल्ला लिकर रहे हूं मैं नहीं कहना, I am not advocating कि तुसी शराब बेचो, पर जे बेचनी है निजी जेबां क्यों जावे भाई? It should go into the state's exchequer. कोलू दा बैल देखदा हुंदा सी मैं, कोलू दा बैल ऐ तुरदा तर तुरी जांदा, पर है उत्थे दा उत्थे। Stagnant pools catch filth. वो दरिया ही नहीं जिसमें नहीं रवानी, जब जोश ही नहीं लल्ला किस काम की तेरी जवानी. And this is where that ravani is a must. Why should only 0.1% people benefit and 99% suffer? In the last 25 years, and I'm saying it categorically, last 25 years, many states have gone from 1,500 crores to 32,000 crores to 20,000 crores to 14,000 crores. Whereas Punjab also started in 2002 and 3, it started at 1,500 crores. Is loitering at more. That is not 25,000 crores. If you give it in the central schemes, and listen to this one. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਕੀਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ 25,000 ਕਰੋੜ ਉਹ 50,000 ਕਰੋੜ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦਾ। actually 10 ਪੈਸੇ ਸੀ। we would put 10 rupees and the government of India would give us 90 rupees. They changed. They said now you put 40 rupees. We have nothing. We don't have nothing. And that's why all that development is stopped. So this is the problem. ਜਿਹਦੀ ਕੋਠੀ ਦਾਣੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਕਮਲੇ ਵੀ ਸਿਆਣੇ, ਪੈਸੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਪਰ ਨਿੱਜੀ ਜੇਬਾਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ, ਉਹ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ। And this is state money. This is state money. ਮੈਂ ਬਣਾਈ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ. I made the report on sand mining. I was the head of the subcommittee which sent me to Telangana. I made it, and I said 2,000 to 3,000 crores is minimum. A state which got separated from Andhra Pradesh in 2014 is earning 43 crores in 10 days. Listen to this. In 10 days, they're earning 43 crores. And the Akali government earned 40 crores in 1 year. They've got one river. They've got one river, 300 kilometers of river. We've got 3 rivers. Punjab, land of the rivers. We've got 3 rivers, bro. And we earn 40 crores in 1 year. They earn 43 crores in 10 days. In 4 years, they earn 2,500 crores, and we in 10 years earn 400 crores. If I aim at the sun, I might hit the stars or the moon. But if I aim at the top of the tree, I will never get off the ground. Most failures stem from aiming too low. You're not going to be comparing yourself to those 40 crores that the last government was depositing. Har saal 40, na 39, na 41. Dekho tusi, prakashtha dekho chori, right? Where is the money going? Transport. The Badals had 2 buses. Dabwali de vich 2 buses si ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਅੱਜ 2000 ਨੇ. It pains me, it saddens me, it is so unfortunate कि वो 2 बसां 2000 हो गई, 2 कंपनियां 8 कंपनियां हो गई, and PRTC is under a debt of 400 crores. PRTC की खड़खड़ करती हुई बस के ऊपर 1.5 रुपए टैक्स ज्यादा. तुम्हारी बसों का टाइम टेबल बनेगा, 5 मिनट ज्यादा खड़ी होंगी वो प्राइम टाइम में, और पीआरटीसी की बसें 500 करोड़ के घाटे में कोई पूछने वाला नहीं. तुम्हारे घरों को घाटा क्यों नहीं पड़ा? तुम्हारे बिजनेस को क्यों घाटा नहीं पड़ा? तुम्हारे होटलों को क्यों घाटा नहीं पड़ा? सारा घाटा पंजाब को क्यों पड़ रहा है भाई? दैट्स बिकॉज तालीम का जोर इतना, तहजीब का शोर इतना, बरकत क्यों नहीं हुई? तुम्हारी नीयत में खराबी है. नीति और नीयत दोनों में खराबी है बॉस. Cable mafia. The money is there. It is supposed to be collected. You have to just collect it. Service tax की चोरी, बाकी चीज़ां भी चोरी. You haven't collected it. One law. एक केबल वाले दे उत्ते DTH कलेक्टर दे उत्ते तुसीं 10,000 रुपया टैक्स ला रहे हो, 1,000 रुपया टैक्स ला रहे हो, दूजे नूं तुसीं टैक्स ला ही नहीं रहे. Have you ever heard of it? Same law, different for 2 people. Then I'm coming to another thing, which is very important. You must listen very carefully to this one. Lend me your ears, because this is pertinent. This is very important for Punjab's resurrection. Justice Kuldeep Singh writes a report. Justice Kuldeep Singh writes a report. This is 10-15 years ago. And he says, 1.5 crore, 1.5 lakh crores worth of land is under illegal occupation just in Mohali. One small district. Land worth 50 lakhs crores, 50 lakh crores is under illegal occupation. 5% छुड़ा लो, ते पंजाब दा कर्जा उतरदा. मैं गारंटी ना कहना, गौचरान लैंड, तुसी पिंडां दी लैंड देखो, शामलाट हुंदी है, चरान हुंदी है, गौचरान हुंदी है, ते शमशान हुंदी है. All the Gaucharan land where the animals would graze is usurped. Shamla is usurped. On record, DCs have written, I've said it in the Vidhan Sabha, right? Where is that money going? This is where the NRI comes in. This is where the NRIs come in. Give them lands. Chudao hai jamina. Give them lands. The roaring economies that I talk about. Digress towards the manufacturing sector. Give them the honor. Call them over. Ask for their investments. Give additional sources of revenue to your agriculture. I'll give you an example. You must listen. My friend came to me. He was a classmate. He came to me when I was MP. This is 2008. He told me I want to invest about 500 crores in the solar systems in Punjab. I said, very well. Welcome. We want you. We want investments. So he says, put me on to someone who's important, who can help me. And this is where the single window system came. And I've been shouting hoarse that cumbersome processes need to be simplified. You need to have simple processes, a single window system that clears the NRIs through and facilitates them. That man loitered around the offices of the secretariat for 1 month. Safa gal ch pa ke mere kol aa gaya. Kehna Sidhu saab tu mera bhra hai, मैं 100 करोड़ रुपये हजे पहली इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी सी, मेरे तो 50 करोड़ अंडर द टेबल मंगदे। I said, what? He says, yes. How will I earn my money? So I rang up another state. I knew the chief secretary. He calls him the very next day. He allots him land and he tells him, bank guarantee ke upar aapka project clear. It's like changing a channel. If you don't find a congenial channel, you'll change on to someone else. The man invested almost 2,000 crores in the last 10 years in that state. That money would have come to Punjab. Where is that facilitation? So these are the problems. This is not मेरी कोई निजी लड़ाई नहीं, मेरी किसी निजी आदमी से लड़ाई नहीं, and Punjab can change. This to me is the most important thing, and I actually want this change to happen. It's not going to happen overnight. This money that I talk about will actually where it should go. Everybody knows about it. Everybody knows about it, right? Hospitals, schools, this is where we want to. Everybody talks about it. Everybody has policies. Everybody says, we have plans. Your plans will fail if you do not have any investment. You don't have any income. सब लीडर जिन्ने भी पंजाब दे ने, मैं उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा, ये शासक भाव सुटो, ये राज करन दा भाव सुटो, get a family out. एक फादर ਨੂੰ जगा के देखो. Does a father ask anybody, where should I send my son for studies? No, he does not. Even not. Do you run your homes like this? कि थोड़े घरां दे उत्ते भी इस तरह कर्जा चढ़िया होया? मैनूं एक लीडर दसो ਜਿਹਦੇ घर ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਐਡਾ ਕਰਜ਼ਾ ਚੜਿਆ ਹੋਵੇ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਘਰ ਚਲਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਭਾਂਡੇ ਵੇਚ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਘਰ ਚਲਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ? ਨਹੀਂ। ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਟੋਲਾ ਬਿਨਾ ਸੜਕਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ? ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ MBBS ਡਾਕਟਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਬੇਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਪੱਕੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ? ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਬੇਸ਼ਨਰੀ ਟੀਚਰ ਪੱਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ? ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਤਨਖਾਹ ਵਧਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ? ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇਨਕਮ, and this is where I end. This is my solution. I'm very clear. हो चुकी है पीड़ पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए। सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, मेरा मकसद है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए। फिर मेरे दिल में ना सही तो तेरे दिल में ही सही, हो कहीं भी आग लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए, सूरत बदलनी चाहिए। This is all that I want. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Sidhu Saab. It's great to hear you. And as you said, the NRIs, their heart beats for their country. We have to get involved and we got to take Punjab forward until the poor and the poorest get their kids and they get their equal opportunities. So we all agree with you. You are a very inspirational leader. We have all heard all the messages very clear to all, and we have to help. Everybody need to get involved and help the Punjab. So before we start the question and answer session, may I please request everybody who's going to be given the opportunity to ask a question to be very brief and ask the question straight away when you've been given the opportunity, because we have to listen to our great leader and his views. There are some questions where the questions were similar and I have to then ask those questions, but I would like then the actual leaders to mainly introduce themselves. So let's start with the question and answer session. The first one is with Mohammed Mansoor ji, jo hamare president of IOC Bahrain. His question and the question from Gurmeet Gill ji, who's the president of IOC US Punjab chapter, and he's also the NRI coordinator for Punjab. Those questions were very similar. So I will say the question, but please, Mohammed ji, please introduce yourself first, and then I will move on to Gurmeet ji. Thank you very much.
नमस्कार सिद्धू जी।
नमस्कार साहब, आदाब।
मंसूर बहरीन से बोल रहा हूँ। मेरा एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है, उससे पहले अगर
बड़ा
कुछ
पूछिए।
बात अगर मैं नहीं बोलूं तो कुछ अधूरा रह जाएगा। सबसे पहली बात ये तो कि आप स्पोर्ट्स बोलो, एंटरटेनमेंट बोलो, आप पॉलिटिक्स बोलो, इन तीनों चीज में आप नंबर 1 हो। अगर आप अभी बोल रहे हो कि पंजाब के बारे में, अगर मैं सोच रहा हूँ पंजाब में, आप तो नेशनल लीडर है, आप तो पूरा नेशनल लेवल में आना चाहिए। और साथ खास करके जो आपका साथ जो कैंपेनिंग का जो मजा है, मैं खुद देख चुका हूँ। लास्ट कैंपेनिंग में हमारा चेयरमैन साहब का मुंह से भी मुस्कुराहट लाया आपने।
Thank you, Mansoor ji.
सो अभी
I
एक
will say
छोटा सा
you
क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ।
question. I have your question, Mansoor ji. So we will move on to Gurpreet Gill ji, please. Gurpreet ji, Gurmeet Gill ji, the NRI coordinator from Punjab in the US. Please introduce yourself. I have your question here.
ਸਿੱਧੂ ਭਾਜੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਫਤਿਹ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਭਾਜੀ, ਗੁਰਮੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਗਿੱਲ USA ਤੋਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ। ਅੱਛਾ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਤਾਰਪੁਰ ਲਾਂਘੇ ਦੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈ। ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਤੋਹਫਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਐਫਰਟ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲਿਆ, ਇਹਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਨੰਬਰ 2 ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ COVID-19 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ, ਕੈਪਟਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਚੰਗਾ ਰੋਲ ਅਦਾ ਕੀਤਾ, ਇਹਦਾ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦਾ ਵੀ। ਔਰ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆ ਮੇਰਾ MSC ਬਾਰੇ, ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ
question ਹੈਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਗੁਰਮੀਤ ਜੀ।
ਮੰਡੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੇ ਆ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਜੀ। ਮੈਂ ਸੌਰੀ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ, ਇੱਕੋ ਮਿੰਟ, ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀਆਂ ਮੰਡੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੁਣੇ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੈ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ, ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ? ਇੰਨੀ ਕੁਝ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੇਨਲੀ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਿਮਿਲਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ, that is what do you think should be the Congress strategy moving forward to win Punjab assembly elections and other assembly elections and national elections? So I think Sidhu ji, if you can take the two together, that will be great. Thank you.
See, the strategy for 224, 222, well, I personally feel that life is what happens when you're making other plans. You cannot plan for 3 years. You've got to first plan for 3 hours. You got to live in day-tight compartments. I used to hear this wonderful song from Asha Bhosle. आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है, पल को थाम ले शहंशाह हो जाएगा. We got to live for the moment. And once we plan today, once we work hard today, our tomorrow is always going to be bright. Between yesterday's regret and tomorrow's hope is today's opportunity. Take it. And until and unless you plan for today, your tomorrow is always going to be desolate. Elections are fought on credibility. And if there are plans, if there are strategies, they are not shared in public. The Vedas say, bro, what do they say? They say कि भाले की नोक से एक आदमी गिरता है, विष के प्याले से सेना गिरा दो, लेकिन अगर गुप्त विचार प्रकट हो जाए तो राष्ट्र तबाह हो जाते. Strategies are closed door things. You are not going to be disclosing strategies, but one thing is for sure: if you fulfilled your promises, if you stood by your word, if you worked hard for people, it's difficult to make a name and then to sustain it. You know, you can come in power for 5 years, but to remain in power for 10, 15 is credibility. And if you have that credibility, fair call. You cannot fool the public. You can fool some of the people some of the time, not all the people all the time. So, therefore, we plan today, we cross our hurdles today, then tomorrow, and then move on. Build our state leadership and forge ahead. That's my answer.
Thank you, Sidhuji. So yes, work hard, and that is going to give us the credibility that we will then get the elections. Mainly, we will win the elections. Next, sort of, we have Harjinder Singh Chalji, the NRI coordinator for Germany, Punjab, and also we got Amarpreet Uppalji, member IOC US. Again, their questions were very similar, so the questions have been combined to one. So Harjinder ji, first you introduce yourself. Then Amarpreet Uppalji will introduce himself, but I will actually then ask you a question. Thank you, Harjinder ji. Please go ahead.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਭਾਜੀ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਆਨਰੇਬਲ ਸੈਮ ਪਿਤਰੋੜਾ ਜੀ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਸਾਰੇ IOC ਦੇ ਲੀਡਰਸ, ਮੈਡਮ ਰੰਧਾਵਾ ਜੀ, ਮਨੋਜ ਛਿੰਦੇ ਜੀ, ਹਿਮਾਂਸ਼ੂ ਵਿਆਸ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਵਰਿੰਦਰ ਵਿਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਜੀ, ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰੇ IOC ਦੇ ਲੀਡਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਵੈਸੇ ਵੀ ਗਿੱਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਹਿ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਨੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਨਾ, ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ 'ਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਇੰਨੀ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟ ਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੋਚ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ। ਵੈਸੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੰਮ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਪਰ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਆਰਡੀਨੇਟਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਮ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਇਆ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਅਭੀ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਵਿਡ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜਾਵਾਂ, ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਖਤਮ ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ। ਤੇ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਮੇਰਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਹ ਸੀ ਕਿ
ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਹਰਜਿੰਦਰ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ। I will say the question. Thank you very much. Let's move on to Amarpreet Uppal ji, please. Amarpreet ji, please introduce yourself. I got your question again. Thank you.
हाँ जी, सत श्री अकाल भाजी, अमरप्रीत उप्पल बोल रहे हैं जी, भोलू उप्पल।
ओ वाह भोलू भाजी, कमाल है, की हाल चाल ने? ਆਪਾਂ ਰੋਟੀ ਖਾਧੀ ਸੀ ਇਕੱਠੇ, ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਵੱਟ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤੇ। ਅੱਜ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਥੋੜੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਚ ਲੱਗ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ।
You don't like भाजी, मैं इतने ही है जी, जलंधर ही है जी। I just have one question for you. मैं चुनना अपने दिलों पे, you are the last best hope on planet Earth for Punjab.
Honored.
मैं एक सीधी गल करन दिया जी, जे पंजाब नूं अज कोई बचा सकदा ते तुसी जे बचा सकदे जे बचा लो, नहीं तो इहदा कोई वाली वारस नहीं।
Thank you, Uppal ji. Thank you. Let's move on. I got your question. The question, Sidhu ji, was what is your plan on behalf of Punjab government to promote investment by NRIs Punjab land and other businesses? How else can NRIs help towards the beneficial or benefits of Punjab? Thank you.
Well, immensely. The first thing is that most of the NRIs live in first world countries. Technology is something that has done wonders to any kind of development, whether it is e-governance, whether it is technology of any sort. It has helped mankind. विज्ञान ने बोलियां नूं कंन दे अन्नियां नूं अखां दित्तियां ने, इंसान ठीक कर दिता है। That technology we must share with each other. We must facilitate, whether it is between cities, whether it is between individuals, whether it is between the NRI brethren. Number two, संपन्न ने उन्हां नूं दर्द है, why not have their investments? Why not have their factories? Why not have hotels built by the NRIs? Sam sir has come with phenomenal ideas. Why not have an NRI center or a NRI tribunal, international center for the NRIs, where they can come, share ideas and facilitate Punjab? It's important that they facilitate, because most of them have gone from villages, from cities, and as I said, if their sons and daughters grow up, they will not have the same passion for our country, our state, like they have. Therefore, the time is less. We need to tap them on that front. Investments have only been on paper. When I was actually campaigning against the Akali government, I said, look at what they said and look at what came. Why? It's because the NRI has not been facilitated. आप अगर उनको सम्मान देंगे, संपर्क जब टूटता है, कनेक्शन जब टूटता है, संपर्क जब टूटता है, तो संदेह पैदा होता है, और संदेह के धरातल पे आप जो विश्वास है, आत्मविश्वास, वो पिघल जाता है. Whether it is technologies, whether it is sharing what the roaring economies do, whether it is the manufacturing sector, the NRIs can help us immensely, because they believe in us. They have their parents, they have their relatives, they have their connections. They can adopt villages, they can invest in anything, but they should believe in the system. मैं पैसे देने नूं तैयार हां, मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट करन नूं तैयार हां, पर की मेरे दोस्त वाला हाल होऊगा, की मेरी पग लथूगी, की मैनू इत्थे गेड़े खाने पैणगे, की मेरे को सिंगल विंडो सिस्टम है जिथे मैं जाके सहूलियत दे नाल अपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सका, अपना बिजनेस कर सका. कि साडे कोल NRI ट्रिब्यूनल्स हैगे. There are so many NRIs who get hassled and who come to me and say, sir, मेरी जमीन दब ली, कला देख के मैं बाहर हाँ, इस करके मेरी जमीन दबी हुई है. We must have NRI tribunals and settle every issue that the NRI has. Until and unless we facilitate them, we give them that faith. They have everything, they have the wherewithal, but they have to believe in us for those investments to come. We have to simplify the cumbersome processes. We cannot do what my friend, how my friend was treated. He went to another state and invested almost 2,000 crores. So this simplifying of all these things, sharing of technologies, sharing of city technologies is what we want to do. First world countries are first world countries. They can contribute immensely. And you see, without the NRI support, without their involvement, without them on our right side, we cannot think of realizing our dreams. They are an integral in the near future. Thank you.
Thank you, Sidhu Saab. I agree, because the NRIs, they have actually come to these countries, that these countries provided them the opportunities to learn and prove their skills, and they got experience of doing it. So they want to mainly take it back and use that experience and help our countries. So let's move on to our President IOC Australia, Manoj Shrenji. Your question, and also the member IOC Middle East, Bharat Singh Rajput, their questions were also quite similar. So I will ask Manoj Shrenji if you can please introduce yourself, and then I can ask the question for you. Thank you. Is Manoj Shrenji there?
Manoj is not there. Bharat Singh Rajput.
Bharat Singh Rajput ji, if you can please go ahead and introduce yourself.
Sat Shri Akal Sidhu ji, and Namaskar Sam Putra ji and another every members. My question is, can I ask my question, Gurvinder?
Yes, please. Okay, you can ask your question, as Manoj Shrenji is not there. I will ask his question anyway.
Okay, so my question is very simple. Like, as a NRI here, how can we fight BJP right-wing ideology using the Congress or Gandhian ideology? So, can you please guide us in it?
Excellent question. Very, very nicely put, bro. And Rajput Saab, I must thank you. That's wonderfully put across. See, the Congress ideology is the ideology of our constitution. It is the ideology of our founding fathers, of our freedom struggle. It is the ideology that gave us freedom. It is the ideology which was propagated by Mahatma Gandhi. Rishiyon, Muniyon se, Vedon se, ye ideology aayi hai. This ideology, if you implement it in your life, if it is an example, this will always be triumphant. This ideology which gave us the phrase Satyameva Jayate. Satya pratarit ho sakta hai, lekin parajit nahi hota. Gandhi ji lived this. Ahimsa, not to hurt anyone in thoughts, words and deeds. Continence, non-stealing. This ideology is one of the most powerful ideologies that anybody can. Satya, Sadbhavana. Not to take any gifts, leading a very simple life. गांधी जी में क्या था? हाड़ मास का पुतला थे, कोई ढकेल देता तो गिर जाते, लेकिन गांधी जी में धर्म था, गांधी जी में सत्य था, दुनिया हिला दी. I went to Zimbabwe. They had never seen a Sikh over there. They said, where have you come from? I said, I come from India. Oh, the land of Gandhi? You know, that is how tall the man was. A good example is probably the best sermon that you can preach. It is a language that everybody understands. It is this ideology that defeated the British, bro. And the British said that we cannot do this. When they were hitting lathis on the Satyagrahis and they were not even reacting, they wrote that we cannot do this. It jolts our conscience. The British Empire is over, they said. And you see, Gandhi ji lived that life, the life of brahmacharya, controlling of senses. Now, most people don't do this. The ideology will work if you are an example, if you live it. मैं अगर रात को शराब पीता हूँ, सवेरे जाके स्टेज पे खड़ा होकर कहता हूँ कि जी दारू पीना हानिकारक है, कोई मानेगा? कोई नहीं मानेगा. इसलिए you will have to actually be an example. It is a language. Example is a language that everybody understands. Therefore, this is a win-win situation. Only we have to have people with credibility who walk this path, who tread this path, who bring it into their lives, who lead that simple lives where selfish vested interests do not override the interest of the common man, the last man in the queue. It is Gandhi who had said that when I take a decision, I think about the last man in the queue, how my decision is going to affect his life. उसकी जिंदगी कैसे मैं बेहतर कर सकता हूं, क्या मेरा डिसीजन उस आखिरी आदमी कतार में खड़े हुए को बेहतर बनाता है? That is how great the man was. He was a Mahatma. St. Petersburg, he fought against the racist movement. You know, he was thrown out of a train. There is a statue in his name. I went as a commentator to South Africa. And what do I see when I went out shopping? I saw Gandhiji's statues over there. It's amazing, man. The man moved the world. Ian Chappell, one of the finest cricketers in the world, I asked him, who is your role model? He said, Gandhi. Barack Obama, when he came to the parliament, I felt so proud. Gaurav Poorn bitaya hua ek ghanta. Kirti rahe jugon se kahin behtar hai. He started off with my role model, the great Gandhi. Whether it is Ian Chappell, who became vegan after reading what Gandhiji said, the simple things are the most difficult to grasp, like soap in a bathtub. He did the simple things right. And look at his conviction. The man had conviction. Whatever he said had clarity of thought. He believed in ideas, he implemented them. Good intentions die unless they're executed. See, battles are not fought on paper. Battles are fought with ideologies. आज बुलेट की लड़ाई नहीं है दोस्त. कुलीन तंत्र में रानी के पेट से राजा पैदा होता था. राजतंत्र में जो तगड़ा वो राजा, लेकिन आज बैलेट बॉक्स से उसके गर्भ से पैदा होता है राजा. और राजा बनाते हैं वो लोग. राजा बनाती है आइडियोलॉजी. विचारधारा की लड़ाई है, निजी लड़ाइयां नहीं है. और ये विचारधारा, गांधी जी की विचारधारा सर्वश्रेष्ठ है, वेदों की है, संस्कृति की है, अपराजय है. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Sidhuji. We got Manoj Srinji with us as well now. Manojji, if you can introduce yourself. He's actually here from Australia and it's 4 a.m. in the morning in Australia. So we appreciate that he's joined us. Manojji, please go ahead. I think your question's been already answered. Please just introduce yourself. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. I'm Manoj Shoran from Australia. I'm the IOC president here. I see you are regarded as one of the most respected cricketers by all Australians. And they still talk about your aggressive batting style and gentlemanship at the ground, sir. And you have faced these fast bowlers in all the difficult pitches, whether in Sydney, Melbourne, Perth and all. So they have a high regard. You know, whenever we talk, they always have a high regard for you. Now, sir, my question is very simple, but very, very relevant in today's era. The question is, because you worked in BJP and you has been working with Congress also for last few years. So the question, what are the basic differences in both, which people of India must understand? And I think you are the best person to really pinpoint these. And why these right-wing party like BJP are greatest danger to not only for multicultural society of India, but globally also, whether US or elsewhere.
Thank you.
I've already answered the question. I've already answered how ideologies have differed, how जोड़ने वाले को मान मिलता है और तोड़ने वाले को अपमान मिलता है. You know, मैंने पहले ही बता दिया है कि गांधी जी की जो आइडियोलॉजी है, it will triumph on in any situation, on anybody. And if you look at it, even they follow the Gandhian ideology. Mahatma Gandhi is an icon par excellence. And whatever he has given us comes from a Sanskriti जो 25,000 साल पहले आदि उस संस्कृति से आती है. Therefore, I don't want to be repetitive, bro. Thank you very much for being wide awake at 4 o'clock in the morning. Amrit Kaal mein. Dhanyawad, Guru.
Thank you, Sidhuji. So yes, I agree that Mahatma Gandhiji's ideology needs to be promoted more. And also I've heard Samji saying as well that if you can look after the poor, the richer they look after themselves. So that is something we need to also take care of. So let's move on to Harbachan Singh Ji, the General Secretary IOC US. Harbachan Singh Ji, please ask your question. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Harbachan Singh and I am the Secretary General of the Indian Overseas Congress, USA. Shriman Navjot Singh Ji, first of all, thank you very much for your valuable time today. You are a very vocal and you fight hard for everyone in Punjab. You fight with a new vision, with the new tools, without fear, but with total integrity. Sir, Punjab needs you. Keep it up, and God bless you. Thank you.
It's a good question, sir. You know, your question is about Punjab's share in the centrally collected taxes, like the GST. Right? Is that your question? Okay,
yes.
That's a very good question. Look, whatever is coming from the center becomes borrowing. It becomes debt. Unless and until you have income which you put in central schemes where it doubles up. For example, in the border sector, we used to have a scheme of the border area where we used to put 10 rupees and get 90 rupees. That scheme was changed to 60-40. So once it went to 60-40, we did not have the income to put 40 rupees and take 60. Now that is something absolutely, you know, it baffles me. I cannot fathom that कौन ऐसा आदमी है जो 100 करोड़ कमा के उसे 100 करोड़ कर्जा लेके 100 करोड़ वापस करता हो और 100 के 200 ना बनाए, right? So whatever we are taking from the center becomes borrowings, becomes debt. And I bear ample testimony to the fact that there have been states which have been in the opposition, the southern states, you know, they prepare their DPRs, they have funds, they have income, they are self-sufficient. समस्त उन्नति का आधार आत्मनिर्भरता है, आत्मनिर्भर states. So they invest in those central schemes and double their income. I mean, it's foolish not to double your income and, you know, from bad to worse follow up. This is the only way forward. This is the way that states have actually progressed. Center-sponsored schemes to become self-reliant. Whatever we are taking in Punjab is becoming borrowing and is becoming debt. It's sad, it's very unfortunate, but it's true. Palani tela, kardi mela mela. And that is the cause which has brought us down, which has brought the downward slide. And that is what we need to reverse. And until and unless we hike up our income, until and unless we take it out of the individual pockets and fill the state's coffers, the state's exchequer, things are not going to improve. It's not as bad as it looks. It's worse. Thank you.
Thank you, Sidhuji. Next question is from Rahul Bhattad. He's the member of IOC US. He's actually not on the call, but I will read the question for you to respond to because the question is quite good. So given Punjab's knowledge on farming, what policies are government planning to transform for it to become a maybe technical innovation for the farming? Thank you.
That would be a boon. Sam sir would agree with me that, you know, technology in agriculture would be a boon. But if you look at the figures projected in our budget, we have about 13,000 crores annually allocated for agriculture. Now, the fact of the matter is, and as I always say, that facts will not cease to exist just because they're ignored. Almost 10,000 goes as subsidy. Whether it is groundwater subsidy, whether it is electricity, it goes there. फिर डिपार्टमेंट की तनख्वाहें देनी है, बहुत कुछ ऐसा करना है, बाकी उसमें चला जाता है. तो बचता कितना है मेरे भाई? और बहुत कुछ हो भी रहा है. बचता कितना है? 200-300 करोड़. उसमें भाई क्या टेक्नोलॉजी आप खरीदोगे और क्या कुछ आप करोगे? फिर घूम फिर के फिर उसी सर्कल में बात आ जाती है. In spite of the fact that Punjab is allocating 13,000 crores, we do not have the kind of money to invest in the technology that you are looking at, which can actually transform us. Mechanical farming, you know, drip irrigation, all those things. We are looking at those, but funds is a problem. Punjabi mein purani kahavat hai, jidi kothi dane, ude kamle vi siyaane.
Thank you, Sidhu.
Thank you.
We have now Shantanu Sinha ji, member IOC US. Shantanu ji, please ask your question. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Basically, I'm from Dresden in Germany, not in US. So okay, no problem. My question is, Mr. Sidhu, what are your plans of connecting better with the youth? That's it.
Wow, lovely, lovely, short and sweet and succinct to say the least, but wonderful question, bro. Number one, quality education. Degrees are not going to help because degrees don't give you jobs. If you do not have quality educations, the skill to make a living, you're ending up nowhere. And that is the reason where people are doing IELTS in search of greener pastures. Any talent, if it is not harnessed, disciplined, and not given opportunities, talent is nothing without opportunity. Whether it is skills, easy loans for entrepreneurship. There are small entrepreneurs. They should get loans. They should get loans for education. Because education is what makes you. शिक्षा कान धेनु गाय है, हर इच्छा को पूरा करने वाली. ये वो धन है जो कोई चुरा नहीं सकता. विदेशों में भी कोई चुरा नहीं सकता. कुरूप को सुंदर बना देती. You know, this is where we need to actually target the youth. We need to listen to them. We didn't even have a youth policy. 70 years Punjab has actually come onto a stage where we had the youth policy just 1 or 2 years back. And I shouted horse for having a youth policy. If you're not going to have a plan, your life is never going to move according to plan if you don't have one. So you need to have a plan. And this is where I feel that we fight this election for the next generation. We are accountable to the next generation. And if your next generation becomes so dejected that it starts, an exodus starts towards foreign countries, then there's something wrong. Then there is something wrong. You haven't been able to give and provide those opportunities to the youth. And if you look at Punjab, 67,000 crores worth assets were sold in the last few years. And that investment has been made in foreign countries. We need to reverse that trend. Panchi bhi udari marta hai na, to apne ghar mein wapas aata hai. That is what we need to do. We need to give them that self-respect. We need to give them that confidence. We need to give them jobs, employment, opportunities. And, you know, it's easy if we have political will. It's easy if we have a policy. It's easy if we can actually design a plan where the youth of Punjab becomes the propeller, becomes the catalyst. Thank you.
Thank you, Sidhuji. Now let's move on to Satish Sharma ji, Chairman IOC US Punjab Chapter. I know that there are many participants that they would like to ask the question. Please be aware the agenda was prepared before and we are just going by the agenda. So there are only 2 more questions to be asked. One is Satish Sharma ji, one is Kamal Dhaliwal ji. Satish Sharma ji, please go ahead and ask your question. Thank you.
Yeah, myself, Satish Sharma, Chairman IOC USA Punjab Chapter. Sidhu Saab, sab to pehla namaskar te sat sri akal sir.
Janabe Ali Huzur wala.
Sir ji, we all enjoyed your game, your entertainment, then big responsibility comes to the politics. Especially ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਜੁਆਇਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਪੋਲਿਟਿਕਸ ਚ ਆਏ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੀ ਦਿਲ ਦੀ ਧੜਕਨ ਬਣ ਗਏ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਜ਼ਬਾ ਤੇ ਜੋਸ਼ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਰੂਟ ਕਾਜ਼ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵਰਗੇ ਲੀਡਰ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਨਾ ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਸੋਲਵ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਚਾਲੇ ਥੋੜੀ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਚੁੱਪੀ ਨੇ ਨਿਰਾਸ਼ਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦਿੱਤੀ Starting from Youth Congress in India, 20 years in US with Congress, मैं एक मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहना कांग्रेस का सारे वो ये है जी कि हर बंदा तुहानू वापस पंजाब च देखना चाहता 100 सत्त सिरे ते गंढ असी तुहानू पंजाब दा CM देखना चाहते हैं. Thank you. Or now I come to my question. My question is this, Sidhu Saab, कि you was not in the limelight for more than 1 year. And what was the reason? Thank you, sir.
Well, most of the people, this is actually a pertinent question that has been asked. Why were you silent? And why did you not hog the limelight? To them, I say that I chose my occasions. I chose my occasions when the Kartarpur Sahib corridor opening was there. I spoke in front of millions. Why? Because I knew कि मेरी कौम दा सवाल है इत्थे कुछ भी दाते लगे ला देना ये मेरे गुरु ने मैनू चुक के मैसेंजर बनाया है, ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਮੇਰੀ ਕੋਈ औकात नहीं सी, मेरा ਇਹਦੇ ਚ कोई रोल नहीं सी, लेकिन मैं अपना जो मैनू गुरु ने मैसेंजर बना के भेजा सी, मैं वो जॉब खत्म करना है। ये गुरुआं पीरां दे आशीर्वाद करके वो मिलिया और ਉਹਨੂੰ नेपरे चाढ़िया, ਉੱਥੇ टका के मैं बोलिया। कई बार जिंदगी च पॉज जरूरी हुंदा है। तुसी भाषा भी देखी है ना, an English language would never be complete without a full stop. हिंदी में पूर्ण विराम होता है। It actually gives you time to reflect, to introspect, to see and give power to your own conviction, to believe and then surge forward. A tall mountain does not say anything, but it is still eloquent, and a few storms here and there will never bother it. What speaks for you is your character, your integrity, that you're not for sale, that you stand up for values, that there is no compromise with this great state's well-being, with the welfare of the people. And the collapse of a man's character stems from the compromise corner. I did not compromise. And that is where I think that the people always waited. People always discussed. In spite of the fact that I was not reading newspapers, even when coronavirus broke out, and that is the time when my people needed me, well, I asked for help. My friends, they got together, and not a single house we left out. We provided them the rations. We worked day in and day out. So responsibility makes you better or bitter. Every responsibility has made me better. I chose my occasions. I was speaking on my channel. I was speaking on coronavirus. I was speaking on the burning issues of Punjab. I was speaking on sand mining. I spoke on almost everything, but I spoke in the purest form, where it could not be distorted, where I could send my feelings the right way. And even today, when I got this opportunity to talk about Punjab's problems, I said, I was with clarity of thought that I know the problem and I know the solution, and I'm clear about it. This is what it is. ये लीक तो उतरन नहीं देना, ये ली है, ये रास्ता है जिहड़ा पंजाब दी सरगती वल जांदा है, इत्थों उतरन नहीं देना. So I talk when the need is there. And pyare dost, people say not for nothing that silence at times is golden. मेहनत इतनी खामोशी में करो कि सफलता शोर मचा दे. बात खत्म.
Thank you, Sidhu ji. We have actually a couple of questions, one from Pramod Kumar ji and one from Balwinder Singh Gurdaspuria ji. I know that you are running out of time, so I will actually move on to Kamal Taliwal ji. So Kamal ji, please go ahead and ask your question. Kamal ji, please go ahead.
सिद्धू भाजी सत श्री अकाल एंड गुड मॉर्निंग. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤਾਂ ਸਵੇਰ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ.
ਬਿਲकुल जी, गुड मॉर्निंग.
ਸਿੱਧੂ ਭਾਜੀ, ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾ ਕਾਲ ਤੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਆ. ਮੈਂ ਕੁਝ ਐਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ. ਮੇਰਾ ਸਵਾਲ ਇਹ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਪੋਲੀਟੀਕਲ ਪਾਰਟੀਆਂ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਚੋਣਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਆ, ਕਰਪਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਚੋਣ ਪ੍ਰਚਾਰ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. ਅਸੀਂ ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਇਹ ਕਰਪਸ਼ਨ ਸਟਾਪ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕੇ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਉਪਰਾਲੇ ਕਰਨੇ ਪੈਣੇ ਆ ਕਰਪਸ਼ਨ ਸਟਾਪ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ? ਦੂਜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮੈਂ ਐਡ ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ 'ਚ ਕਿ ਚਾਹੇ ਆਜ਼ਾਦੀ ਦੀ ਲਹਿਰ ਦੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਹੋਵੇ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਗਦਰੀ ਬਾਬਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਹੋਵੇ, ਚਾਹੇ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਉਧਮ ਸਿੰਘ ਜਦੋਂ ਇੰਗਲੈਂਡ ਆ ਕੇ ਜਨਰਲ ਡਾਇਰ ਨੂੰ ਗੱਡੀ ਚੜਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ NRIਆਂ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਵੇ, ਚਾਹੇ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਵੇ. Why we cannot take services like people have Sam Pitroda who served the country before and wanted to serve more.
Kamal ji. I think we are running out of good time. So thank you, Kamal ji. Let's move on to Sidhu ji. Please, your time now to answer the question. Thank you.
It's a very pertinent question. It's a ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਾਲੇ ਨਾਗ ਵਾਂਗ ਫਨ ਚੁੱਕਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਰਪਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ. It's a scourge. It's a menace. It's the bane of Indian society. But let me tell you, that हर मुश्किल का हल होता है, आज नहीं तो कल होता है. मेरा हल बड़ा सिंपल है. Punish people at the top. Even fish start to stink at the head. If you punish people at the top, the message goes loud and clear. I'll give you an example. Lee Won Koo. He transformed a fish market that got separated from Indonesia into Singapore. How? By setting an example. I still remember that story. In the first government of Lee Won Koo in Singapore, one of his ministers went for a holiday with a businessman. He went for a holiday with his businessman friend. When he came back, he was arrested at the airport, put behind bars. Can you imagine? Just for a holiday? But that was setting an example. Not one man dared after that. Not one man. Why find scapegoats? Why find puppets? Those who pull the strings need to be punished. The big fish need to be punished. जिस राज्य में अच्छा काम करने वाले की पीठ न ठोकी जाए और बुरा काम करने वाले को दंडित न किया जाए, उसका तबाह होना निश्चित है. ये मैं नहीं कहता दोस्त, ये वेद कहते हैं, मैं अध्ययन करता हूं. And this is the way we can actually get rid of corruption. E-governance is a very powerful tool. No matter how much I tried, the opposition was huge. It was Herculean, bro. The resistance was such because e-governance has no interface. You know, anybody who wants a certificate or wants a registration can do it sitting at home. There is no interface. It happens on a computer. When the finance department set up e-governance, एक पाई एक कौड़ी मूव करती है तो पता लगता है. यहाँ files move for 2 months, nobody knows. There is no e-filing. So this is the way that we can actually curb corruption. If I want that I will curb corruption without e-governance, without these measures, I can't do it. You will not believe it. कोई accountability ही नहीं. Improvement ट्रस्टों में जो डेली अकाउंट्स की किताब है वही नहीं है. अगर डेली नहीं है तो हफ्ते वाली नहीं है और फिर महीने वाली नहीं है. 300 करोड़ रुपया 100 अकाउंट खुलवा के, बैंक अकाउंट 100 खुलवा लिए, एक अकाउंट से दूसरे में, दूसरे के तीसरे में, तीसरे से चौथे में 300 करोड़ रुपए अपनी भाभीियों के नाम पे ट्रांसफर कराए. लीज, गवर्नमेंट लैंड की लीज कब दी थी, किसको दी थी, उसकी फाइल ही है नहीं, कागज ही है नहीं. यू विल नॉट बिलीव, खसरा नंबरों के ऊपर प्लॉट काटे जाते हैं. द मास्टर प्लान has never been superimposed. Now this thing is happening in our government, that it is being superimposed by the खसरा नंबर. आप जाके जीरकपुर में देखिए, आप थाने में चले जाइए, एक खसरा नंबर को 6 बार बेचा हुआ है, गरीब आदमी खड़ा है वहां. These things are happening. It's a menace. It's a scourge. But कोई कौवा तो टांगो, दिखाओ तो सही सामने, एग्जाम्पल तो लाओ. You see, I still remember the Honorable High Court saying that these illegal buildings, how can they crop up? It's not a pin that is coming up, it's a building that is coming up. They said, the High Court, on record, they said, this will not end until and unless we dismiss 5 or 6 officers from service. Whether it is a politician, whether it is an officer, whether it is a police officer, make him accountable. The fear of the law is a must. No one is above the law. And once we do that, once we start from the top, everything will percolate to the bottom. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जब ऊपर से करप्शन शुरू होती है, फिर उसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता, फिर उसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता. एक पुरानी बहादुर शाह जफर की एक नज्म है, उसमें कहा है कि राजा अगर अंडों के लिए करे अत्याचार तो वाकई लश्करी मारे मुर्गजार. अंडों के लिए अगर अत्याचार होता है ना तो फिर मुर्गे मारने लग जाते हैं लोग. So this is where the entire thing starts, and this is the solution. And I personally feel that Singapore is a perfect example. Perfect.
Thank you, Sidhuji. Now the question and answer session is over. So may I now hand over to our Mr. Ravi Chopra ji, the Vice President of IOC USA, for votes of thanks. Thank you, Ravi Chopra ji. Please go ahead.
थैंक यू सिद्धू साहब. पहला तो अज तुसी आए और मेरे ख्याल 3 महीनों पहला टाइम है कि सारे दे चेहरे ते स्माइल आ गई, और जिन्ना हसदे मैं सैम सर नू देखिया अज तो मेरे ख्याल ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ 3 ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਚ ਜ਼ੂਮ ਆਈ ਥਿੰਕ 100 ਜ਼ੂਮ ਕਾਲਸ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਇਨ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ অর ਸਮਥਿੰਗ ਬਟ ਨਾਓ ਟੁਡੇ ਯੂ give everyone very good relief. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And I'm honored, sir.
Sidhu sahab 12 crore ਨਾਨਕ ਨਾਮ ਲੈਵਾ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਦੀ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਪੂਰੀ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਯੋਗਦਾਨ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਤੱਕ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਸਿੱਧੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਉਸ ਧਰਤੀ ਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਪੂਤ ਹਨ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਅਤ ਅਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਅਤ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਅਹੁਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਸਿਆਸਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਜਿਹੇ ਲੀਡਰ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਉਂਗਲੀਆਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਗਿਣੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਸੱਚ ਤੇ ਸੱਚੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਸੱਚ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਸਪੂਤ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਡਾ ਸਲਾਮ। ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਓਵਰਸੀਜ਼ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ USA ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਤੇ ਦਿਲ ਨਾਲ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਸਾਉਂਦੇ ਵੀ ਰਹੋ, ਸਪੋਰਟਸ ਵੀ ਸਿਖਾਉਂਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਔਰ ਸਿਆਸਤ ਵੀ ਕਰੋ ਔਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹ ਦਰਵਾਜ਼ੇ ਵੀ ਦੂਜੇ ਮੁਲਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਖੋਲਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹ ਖੋਲਦੇ ਰਹੋ। ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਮਹਿੰਦਰ ਗਿੱਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਨੇ US ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਹਜ਼ਾਰਾਂ ਨਵੇਂ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਐਡ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਦੇ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਬਣੇ ਆ। ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੇ ਗੁਰਮੀਤ ਗਿੱਲ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਹਰ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਚ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਲੜ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੋਵੇ but they always go spend the money and spend time with Bhuttar Sahab, with Satish, with their own team, with buses. ਔਰ ਸੈਮ ਔਰ ਹਿਮਾਸ਼ੂ ਬਿਆਸ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਓਵਰਸੀਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਲੱਖਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਿਆ ਜਦ ਤੋਂ ਸੈਮ ਪਟਰੋਡਾ ਜੀ ਚੇਅਰਮੈਨ ਬਣੇ ਨੇ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਦੈਟਸ ਬਿਗ ਹੈਲਪ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਓਵਰਸੀਜ਼ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਔਰ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਉਹ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੋ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
Thank you ji.
My last word.
Gurminder ji, Rajvinder from Europe is there.
Rajvinder ji, okay, please go ahead. Can we please let Rajvinder ji say a few words? Manoj ji, please allow Rajvinder ji to say a few words.
Yes, Rajvinder ji, can you unmute yourself? Yes, thank you.
We can't hear you, Rajvinder ji. Please unmute yourself.
Yes.
I can't hear you. You have to unmute.
Unmute yourself.
Now we can. Now we can. Go ahead.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Okay. Good evening, good morning, and good afternoon to everybody. It's great today to have a conversation with Mr. Sidhu, and we are very proud of him. And we wish him all the best and carry on. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦੇ ਬਾਬੇ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਹੈ ਬਾਬੇ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੀ। I think you can do everything what you are planning and wish you all the best. Yes, you can.
Thank you, Rajvinder ji. Anything else, Himanshu ji? Sam ji, please. Great. Thank you ji. Thank you. All done. Thank you, Sidhu ji. And thank you everybody who joined us today. Great job. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you very much.